My name is Harmanpreet Kaur and my student ID is 77468187. I'm student of Leeds Wicked University and today I'm going to explain my presentation on student academic performance prediction using learning analytics to my professor, my supervisor Bazli Behnam, who support me very well, guide me very well throughout my dissertation journey. I am very thankful to him. Starting from the overview, I have explained about introduction, aims and objectives, dataset detail, data analysis, methodology, project flow, discussions, conclusion, and future work in this project. In introduction, I will say that it's very important to improve learning outcomes of the students because they are future of our nations. So the traditional evaluation method like test and grades of sometimes fail to tell tell before, so student may be at risk, but the machine learning models helps to collect the large amount of data. So machine learning models are always help to are powerful tools to analyze the large set of student data. So comes up with aims and objectives. The aims and objective of the project is to get in depth to conduct an in-depth literature review for the existing model done by the experts and then explore and analyze relevant student data set into academic, behavioral, demographical features that influence students' academic performance. And I have used EDA to do visualize to explain visually the through bar graphs, pie charts, and the patterns, trends, correlation within dataset that can inform the model development. Then the machine learning models evaluate the performance using appropriate metrics to ensure accuracy and robustness. And then I compare the performance of developed models with existing research finding to validate the proposed approach and ensure its reliability. So basically, the data set is collected from the Kalboard 360 LMS and it contained data of 480 students with 16 different features depend upon the demographic, academic, and behavioral. Means demographic means based of male, female, their nationality, academic means grade level, their section, and behavioral means class participation, resource uses. It basically cover 2 semester. In first semester there are 245 students, and in second there are 235, and after that the parents involvement 275, 270 parents were satisfied participated in the survey. So the data analysis, as I have used EDA, so this bar graph represent the distribution of student by gender on the basis of gender. So this is the axis explain the ratio of males and females. The green color show the ratio of males, while the purple one show the ratio of female. And this the y-axis show the number of males in the class and number of females in the purple one. So the next one is the distribution according to the class, like how many are in medium class, how many are in low class, and how many are in high class. X's represent the class performance, and the y-axis show the number of count. And the pie chart, it showed the parental participation, like the 60.8% are satisfied with the school, but 39.2 say the school is bad. They are not satisfied with the school. So the next one is students' performance impact according to the subjects. The most of students got good marks in geology, followed by the history. So the most of student get this the x-axis show the number of subject, y-axis show the number of marks they obtain. So the next one is gender-wide distribution. This is about the males, that how many males participate. Males are in high class, how many are in medium, low class, how many are in medium class. So the next one is the place of birth. that students belongs to which country. Most of the students are from Kuwait, followed by the Jordan, and then the other countries. And comes up to the methodologies. This project I have used five models, that is logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, sport vector machine, and k nearest neighbor. So hope the this flowchart show the process of modeling student performance using machine learning. So starting from, we collect the data set of students, then it go for pre-processing, means raw data go for the cleaning, then it's split into training and testing, then it goes through these five models, and finally we get the compile model. If we need model tuning, then it go for tuning, otherwise we get the evaluate performance and the model. Are the results for the model. The logistic regression have 83.33% accuracy, decision tree get 71.33% accuracy, and random forest get 87.50 accuracy, and sport vector machine get 81.25% accuracy. K nearest neighbor get 71.88% accuracy. Then comes up to the classification report. Talking about the first model, logistic regression, there is the this is the precision reading. This is a recall, F1, and sport, means the identified perception, and this one is the correct identified perception, and this one is the balance between both of it, and this one is the actual occurrence. So next we go to the confusion matrix. Here is the confusion matrix of all the five models, and all the five models like logistic regression, decision tree, random forest. There is for zero, it's 16 for zero class, 26 for class 1, and 2 for class 37 for class 2. This is the actual prediction. This is the actual accuracy. This is the predicted. And for the decision tree, uh, there is yeah, this is for the decision tree. So for class 2, this one is 38 for class 2. For class 1, it's 22. And for class 0, it's 17. Same for the random forest. Next to the random forest, 16 for class 0, 1 for class 20. For class 1, 25. And for class 2, it's 43. Next to the sport vector, for class 0, it's 14. For class 1, it's 25. And for class 2, it's 37. In the k nearest, it's 13 for class 0, 24 for class 1, and 2 for class 2, it's 32. Next, I have read the literature review of Amira et al. 2016. He applied ensemble methods to predict student performance and achieve 75.8% accuracy with behavioral feature. Next one expert, he used Wien Lau ETL, focused on artificial neural networks, and he got 84.8% higher accuracy. But my finding, I use random forest model, which have highest accuracy, 87.50%. So the logistic regression, 83.33%, decision tree and sport vector, 71.88%, and 81.25%. K nearest have lowest, that is 71.88%. In conclusion, the project developed an AI-driven model to predict student academic performance by analysis demographic, academic, and behavioral data using machine learning algorithm. So this work contribute to the growth field of educational data mining, offering valuable insight for future research and decision making. So here is code for my project. I have connect Google Drive to Google Cloud to run my data. Here is I have used Python libraries. There are five Python libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Metablin, Cbrun, and Skyland processing. So here I take the data set for the from that data, and here is the missing values. There is the missing values in data are null. So here is the x. So here is the explain. So talking about one. So this is the X label represent the gender, Y label represent the count, and this is about the it. This represent the how many uh, are in medium class, low class, and high class basis on the class. This is number of students, and similarly here is for all the data sets code. So this is the confusion matrix. So finally, this was my presentation. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.